Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldy. Guys, you have seen my cabin where I'm seeing. Now I'll take you to the another cabin which is more brighter and more livelier. So this is how we open the door, and this is how the cabin look like. Look at that. In this there is two different beds, so one person can sit there, sleep there, one person can sleep here. Okay, the cabin size is the same. You still get two lamps, but in this cabin there is some bunker bed also. You can see, if you can put this down, then this are two bunker beds. So this cabin belongs to 4 people, not 2 people, 4 people, 2 up, 2 down, and rest all the things are same, but it comes with a beautiful ocean view. So all you need to do is you need to pay a little extra for this room, but you get lot of sunlight, lot of brightness, lot of natural view, and you will really going to love this room because it has so much brightness. You can come to this table. This is a dressing table which has the big mirror, some bottles, and as usual the washroom. The washroom is one and the same, is the same size which I got. Same size. If you have not seen my video, please go ahead and see that. It's the same size. The only difference is there are 2 beds over here, 2 upstairs, and a beautiful natural view. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.